So what I'm going to do today is I'll show you the demo of all the 3 modes. Change this to rain, because right now anyways I can't cross 4000 rpm. Around 4-5,000 rpm is where I can ride. Now see, this is rain, and you can instantly feel the bike is telling you no, you can't go. Your limiter is at 5,000 rpm, not more than that. See, I'm on 4th gear. 4,000 rpm is how much? Almost 50. 5th gear, 4,000 rpm. 65. 6th gear, I need a little more speed. So for that I'll need to go a little more faster. You can say 6th gear, 4,000 rpm on rain mode is around 70. See, I'm kind of like struggling to keep up to a scooter at this level. Okay, now we'll do another run. Right. Quick shifter on the rain mode is like, nah, you shouldn't use it. Doesn't make sense. Yeah. You just need to go to ride mode, rain, close throttle, select the mode, put it on street, done. Now this is street mode. Street mode is like, now you know that you bought a 390. $4,000 rpm, 3rd gear around 40, 4th gear around 50. 5th gear, I need more space, man. Why is there so much crowd at 3 in the afternoon? Let's try. 2nd gear 4,000 rpm, 29. 3rd gear 42. 4th gear around 55. 5th gear around 60. 6th gear 70. Street mode. One last mode is left, for which I'll wait for the road to get cleared. You go into ride mode, street, select off-road. You can't change the mode and the throttle is on. See, close throttle, change it, done. That's off-road. First gear around 25, 2nd gear, 3rd gear 43, 4th gear 60, 4th gear 60, and 5th and 6th is still left. See, taking U-turns is so easy with this. Second gear 32, okay. 3rd gear 48. 4th gear around 56. I stopped in 4th gear right before. It's okay, let him take a reverse. Go aram, I'll wait for you. Off-road mode is the hooligan mode. It's not off-road. 4th gear 4,000 around 55. 5th gear around, you can say 60. Fifth gear 65, 66. 6th gear 6th gear around 70. So that's it about the modes. Now once I finish off with the first service, then maybe I'll give you a demonstration of how it actually feels, because right now the bike is like, it's still new, it's fairly new, so I have to give it some time until it settles in. I see a turn, but I don't see ahead, so just go slowly. Instant acceleration. Okay guys, with this I'll call it a day. I'll see you all soon in some next vlog. No long rides for now. Later on, after the first service, definitely. Lonavala, then Lonavala, I don't know where, Matheran, let's see. Okay guys, bye bye. How was it in the internal roads? Let's try some internal streets of Bandra. That's the off-road mode. Okay guys, I'll see you soon. Bye bye. So I'm going to explain to you what the riding modes are and why I was riding at 4000 rpm. So you press the enter button to enter. Okay, now the kill switch is pressed, you push it down first, my bad. Enter, and this is basically up, down, left, right. That's it. Street, you get rain, you get off-road. All these three modes, it doesn't matter which mode you are on. If you've seen in the video, they are almost 4000 rpm. All the speeds are similar in all these three modes: rain, off-road, street. They're almost the same in all the three modes. It doesn't matter which mode you are in. Or what I'm trying to say is that it's all on the throttle response. That's it. Now in street, you will get a throttle response of the normal street mode. It's already set to. And in rain mode, select rain, configure rain. You see, you get a throttle response which the bike is set for the ECU. The only difference is off-road. Here in this mode you get to configure and you can select the throttle response. You want off-road, you want street, you want rain. This is the most frantic one. So there is no difference in the speed in which you ride. That doesn't matter at all, or the RPM. The only difference is the throttle response in all these three modes, and it comes with different rider aids. I'll show you. You can keep your ABS mode on, off-road, road. Then you get the motorcycle traction control on, off, so you can see it sliding. Yeah, keep this on. Quick shift throttle response because you're in off-road mode, and a display mode. You can change this to reduced. Not want too much clutter. It's a display one. That's all I had to say about the different riding modes. The speed is exactly the same in all the modes. It doesn't matter. It's just that they are different throttle maps. And with this, we'll conclude this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Bye bye.